Fish? Fish. Good fish, good fish. Yo guys, welcome back to Tidewater Fishing. Today we're going to the rice canals and fishing in South Carolina and Savannah, Georgia. But yeah, some crazy stuff happens in this, so stay tuned for that. Let's get into it. Today, we're in the rice canals, but yeah, we already saw a huge turtle and there's possibly some alligator, so yeah, stay tuned. I just got my popping cork, Dad has a lure on, but yeah, we're just fishing. These rice canals, there was rice over here in the old days. Somewhat. Where my bobber?
Sounds tribe.
Bro, there's a fish right there. We're fishing this trestle. Got this live mud minnow, but yeah. We're fishing right here at this knocker rig. We're gonna toss it right under this bridge here. You guys should toss it by the piling or like in like, all right, I'll toss it. Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna toss it right. Tossing it right there. See a big redfish or stripers hiding. Fish? Fish. Good fish, good fish. No! 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 That was, oh my gosh. You're good. Oh my. Did you catch it like right? Huge, guys, huge alligator. Huge. Please get closer. Please drive the boat. Yeah, guys, we saw this big alligator head just popped up. Oh, that's huge. That's huge. That's huge, guys. Huge alligator. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Alligator. Just get as close as you can. Wait, can you like get on the boat? Alright. Guys, huge alligator. Huge gator. Okay, yeah, it must have eggs. Wait, chill. My gosh. Yo guys, right now we're sheephead fishing. We're done with all that fishing, so yeah, we're just gonna try to drop down this frozen shrimp, try to get some sheephead. Or just anything that bites.